Sweet and spicy chickpea snack, street food favorite, sweet, spicy, tangy, and downright addictive. And the best part? You can make this at home in minutes. Join me and Mum in the Burmawala kitchen as we bring this quick, flavor-packed dish straight to your table. We start with a pan on medium heat. No oil yet. First, we're adding 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. We're dry toasting these to wake up that nutty aroma. And trust me, they'll let you know when they're ready. The second they start popping, and they pop quick, in goes a 1/4 cup of oil and a 1/4 cup of dried curry leaves. Fry those leaves for 10 seconds. That's all they need to crisp up and release their gorgeous earthy fragrance. Now straight in with 800 grams of tinned chickpeas. We're adding 2 teaspoons of red chili powder for that lovely heat, 2 teaspoons of salt to balance everything out, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste for that essential flavor base, 1 teaspoon of sugar to give us that sweet hit to balance the spice, 1 teaspoon of turmeric for a vibrant golden color, 1 tablespoon of danya jeera, that's coriander and cumin powder. Give it all a good mix. 30 seconds is all it takes to wake up those spices and coat the chickpeas beautifully. You'll smell it before you see it. Your kitchen's about to smell like a bustling street market. Next, we're adding 4 tablespoons of ketchup. Yep, ketchup. It's our secret weapon for that sweet, tangy kick. Stir it in well, and you'll see the chickpeas take on this gorgeous, vibrant color. Glossy, rich, and irresistible. Keep the heat on medium. The sugar in the ketchup can stick to the bottom if we're not careful, and we're after caramelized, not burnt. Now, to loosen things up a bit, 1/2 cup of water goes in. This gives us a light gravy that coats the chickpeas perfectly and helps steam them, making them even softer. Bring it to a gentle boil, pop on the lid, and let it cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. 5 minutes later, and just look at it. The chickpeas are soft, the sauce is thick, clinging to every bite, and the smell? Unreal. Sweet, spicy, tangy. What more could you want? Time to finish with a generous handful of fresh green coriander, because every great dish deserves a bright, herby flourish. And there you have it. Sweet and spicy chickpea chaat, made fresh at home and bursting with flavor. So many layers of taste, yet so quick and easy to make. Serve it up however you like, with a dollop of yogurt, a squeeze of lime, or some crunchy phyllo pastry on top for that extra bit of texture. Honestly, the possibilities are endless. It's street food magic, straight from the stall to your kitchen. Oh, and don't forget, the competition is still on. Every comment on the video within the first 48 hours gets entered into a random prize draw for a free packet of our incredible spice blend, delivered anywhere in the UK. Thanks again for all the love and support. You lot are absolutely fantastic. As always, full ingredients and instructions are in the description below. Happy cooking!